So, guess what we have? We have plenty of cats, and in this box, we're gonna unbox some interesting product. Supposedly, it's a indoor-outdoor cat house designed for multi-purpose use, and the company was kind enough to send me 2 samples. So, our cats who lives inside, which they're strictly indoors, could enjoy the cat house from inside of the house. And we have a whole bunch of really nice community cats that lives in our backyard. I think they also gonna benefit from the cat house that they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start unboxing and then show you guys how well the cat house works, and maybe come back in a few days or weeks and give you guys an update on how well the cat house performs. All right, so let's open up the box, take a look at what's inside. Right here. And we got 2 actually, so I'm gonna just take both out. All right, guys, I pretty much just took one of the package out. And this is what's inside. There are basically, it looks like 1 piece, 2nd piece, 3rd piece, and that's pretty much it. I believe this is removable. Yeah, so like a 4th piece, that's kind of small. Let's take a look at the instruction, which is actually pretty simple, okay? So it's a graphical instruction that says, for indoor use, just place directly on a hard and flat surface. For outdoor use, you have to cover the house with plastic, avoid prolonged rain to keep the house from deteriorating, which is interesting. And raise the house with bricks. I don't really understand what that means. To prevent the bottom from becoming soaked into the weather. Okay, so pretty much you need to, yes, elevate the house. I don't know what you're gonna use to elevate, but for us to test outside, I don't think we're gonna do that. But anyway, so it looks like the first step is just to raise this 4 corners up. And there are some Velcro edges over here. Once you pull those edges out, you can connect the side piece to the edge, like so. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is what the house is built with. It's pretty much just Velcroed up, okay? So I'm gonna connect this side, just make sure it's nicely aligned. And the other side, pretty much same thing, okay? And it looks to be pretty easy, at least the assembly part. So on the inside of each wall, they are soft Velcro sticky stuff. That's why it's sticking to the side of the wall, so you guys know. All right, looks like we're already almost done. So this little piece is actually like a soft pad. So if the cat wants some comfy, soft, sleepy area, they can use this pad inside, okay? And there is a little plastic thing over here. I don't know if the cat outside will get confused, but this plastic thing, I guess you can remove it if you really don't want it. Yes, you can. So, like so, you can just remove it. But I think we'll just keep it there just for fun. And let's put the top up. And I'm trying to figure out what exactly is this part. I haven't figured out. I think it's maybe for the structure.
It's the beam.
Is it the beam? Okay. And it looks like our cats are more interested in the paper box, at least for now, but hopefully we'll get them use this soon. Okay. Yes, so this is actually, it looks like the beam. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, no.
Doesn't look like the beam. Don't know. We're gonna leave it there.
Read the instruction.
And you know what? This might be the beam.
It
Yeah,
must be the beam.
we really gotta read the instruction first, obviously. So got it. All right. Don't really understand what this is for, but it's got a,
To carry.
yeah,
What about that?
that we haven't figured out. It's a mystery.
It should go inside.
Maybe. Oh, I know what it is. I think this goes to the inside over here, so it actually connects this top piece so it doesn't fall off, I believe. I believe. Okay,
Yeah.
let's give it a try. And it looks like we have assembled the house without looking at the instructions. That tells you how easy it is to get this house, up and running. And if you look, a couple holes for the cats to go in and out. But I think the 2 holes on the sides are actually too small for any of our house cats, which they're pretty large. And at this point, I think I'm gonna remove this plastic thing because it's got a weird smell to it.
It's
Smells-
also warm weather here.
Yeah, we live in Florida, so this thing is not necessary. But I guess if you're in a cold area, it could be useful for the cats outside, right? So this, I mean, it still doesn't look absolutely right. So I gotta read the instruction really quick. All right, looks like we got our first customer, Sweet Pea. You want to go in and check it out? Look at the size of the house. So our cat Sweet Pea, he's about I think,
15 pounds.
Yeah, 15 pounds. So it's about the size of him, and I understand, like, for outdoor cats, they're not gonna be as big as some of our indoor cats. So they should definitely find this useful, especially if the weather is pretty cruel, like up north. But in Florida, we actually just gonna put one of those into our backyard porch, and it's already not much rain is gonna come onto the cat house, and I think the cats outside will actually appreciate it. We're just gonna take some pictures for you guys, after we have this cat house running for a few days. And obviously all the cats are interested. Like Cupcake, she's ready to go in. She's jumpy
scared.
though, yeah. So the top cover is removable again, as I mentioned. So you could leave the top open. Like again, in Florida, I'm probably gonna leave this top open so there's more airflow for the cats outside. They don't get overheated. But let's actually take this outside and see the reaction from our community cats. All right, let's take it out for the community cats. Well, right now we have 3. See the reactions.
looks like it's sturdy enough.
Yep. I'm sure they're gonna enjoy that house.
Oh, look at the saliva.
And the good thing about this cat house is the texture of the whole thing. It's actually kind of a texture that cats loves to scratch on. So as you can see, the big head, while he's enjoying it, he also can exercise his claws on the house. So the entire house is like a cat tree. So yeah, I think in terms of, I don't really have to prove to you guys that cats love it. Just sprinkle a little catnip on there or like inside, and they're instantly going there and start enjoying it. So hope you guys found this little first impression of the MIU color outdoor cat house useful to you guys. We think it's a great addition if you have outside cats that needs a shelter. Okay, in that case, it serves its purpose extremely well. And then again, we're gonna also set up one just for our cats inside, because it can be used indoors as well as a permanent fixture for your cats. Again, I think it comes down to the trick of using catnip. And I put another one upstairs next to our scratching post, and my cat Sesame immediately went in, and this one doesn't even have any catnip. She just loves the little house, and she started using it as a scratching post, it looks like, which is great. So yeah, like very useful outside to give protection for your outdoor cats. And for us, it serves multi-purpose. And inside, my cat Sesame could just lay comfortably inside and enjoy the cat house. And I can probably even lift the top. So take a look. Sesame. Oh yeah, works great, works great. Leave it on the side, give some different options. All right, guys, so day 2 of the MIU color outdoor cat house. And I don't think I need to speak much, because look who's in there. One, our cat friendly Oreo. She's inside there very comfortably. We tilted the house because yesterday night there was actually some rain, and the house got soaked wet. And we tilted it during the day, and it looks like it's completely dried right now. And I mean, I'm glad one of the cats is actually taking advantage of the cat house right now as we speak. Other cats, of course, they have their usual spots, but just to show you guys how much they love this cat house. And also the videos I showed you guys earlier of our indoor cats that completely enjoyed the cat house for the whole night, which was, not surprising. I mean, it's a kind of well-designed cat house. For that matter, I am going to actually just conclude the video right here and tell you guys, yes, the cat house, first impression, extremely good for us, very easy to assemble, and all the cats loves the house. both indoor cats and the outdoor cats. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about the MIU color outdoor cat house, let us know and I'll try my best to answer for you. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to our channel, and I would highly appreciate it. Thanks again, guys, and see you in the next video. Take care.